Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I purchased this Airdopes 141 from Flipkart and the MRP is 1499, but I purchased during offer period, so I got it at 999 rupees. And as you can see, it is a very good earbuds from boAt, and these are some of the functions like beast mode and enx text and as soon as possible charge. Here is also some things are written like IWP technology, immersive audio, quick response touch control, and fast charging, which means 5 minutes of charge equals to 75 minutes, total playback 42 hours, and it is IP4X sweat resistant, and it is also a Bluetooth 5.1. So let's unbox the Airdopes 141 and check what include in this. So let me unbox this. This is the Airdopes 141, and I think this is type C cable. Yes, type A to type C cable, and this is card. This is FAQ card, and this is warranty card from boAt, and I think this is manual. Read me before use. So these are some of the contents which I have received inside the box. Let us check boAt's Airdopes 141. So this is Airdopes 141. So it goes into pairing mode. Let me pair with my phone.
मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो, और नेक्स्ट वीडियो देखने के लिए आप जो है वॉच नेक्स्ट पे क्लिक करेंगे तो आप इसी से रिलेटेड नेक्स्ट वीडियोस भी देख पाएंगे।